Gallbladder stones, a very big question. Whenever a person gets to know about this, doctor usually say just get operated. So, is there any other solution for this? Can they be dissolved or surgery is the only option? Wait, you are at the right place. Here we will know about homeopathic treatment of these gallstones, that homeopathy can dissolve these gallstones without any surgery and you need not to go for any kind of surgery there. So let's see what are gallstones in this video, what are the causes, the symptoms and the homeopathic approach as well as its medicines which can be helpful in curing such cases. Namaskar, I am Dr. Garima Gaurav Agarwal. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel from Mathura, India. Let's understand first what are these gallstones. So gallbladder actually produces bile, that is a digestive juice which helps in digesting fat. But whenever the juice remains within the gallbladder, its consistency gets more viscous, then it gets hardened and form stones. That same bile can form stones when it gets more viscous and hardened. So these are the stones of bile products only. These gallstones vary from a sand size to a golf ball size. Now let's understand what are the causes, what are the risk factors for this. So age above 60, obesity, taking more fat food means consuming more fatty food, taking no salads, there is no green salad in your diet and no fiber or low fiber diet. If the food is too fatty, it can cause this. Some diseases are associated with it like diabetes mellitus or liver disease. If you are suffering from diabetes mellitus or liver disease, you are prone to have gallstones more frequently than others. You know what? It is usually asymptomatic. Means whenever you go for any other diagnosis for any other disease or any other kind of problem, if you are going for USG abdomen, suddenly you will get to know about this, that you are suffering from gallstones. But in some cases you may have pain in your lower abdominal region at the right side, which may extend to right shoulder. Liver region pain means you can feel that there is pain or there is some discomfort, there is heaviness or bloating, or there is some problem in passing your stool. Sometimes you may suffer from constipation as well as nausea. So these are the symptoms which tells you that there is some problem and you have to go for USG abdomen. Whenever you go for there, your testing done, you will get to know that you are suffering from gallstones. But some patient wants to know that we should tell some homeopathic medicines which can be helpful for them for relieving their symptoms. So the first medicine is Feltauri. It is a medicine which is prepared from bile salts only, and it helps in increasing the peristaltic movements of the intestine. It helps in emulsification of the fat, reducing the cholesterol, and according to the symptoms, it helps in relieving the abdominal discomfort and bloating. So Feltauri is very helpful medicine in treating such cases of gallstones. You know what? Protein is a liver healer. You need 0.8 gram protein per kilogram body weight. So if you are of 80 kilogram, then 80 multiplied by 0.8, that is 64 gram proteins you need per day. So protein is a liver healer. So you have to consume this much protein per day. Okay. Now let's understand there are many sources of protein. For non-veg people, egg, fish, chicken, there are so many options. But what for vegetarians? So there are various type of pulses. Okay, so it will be helpful. Lentils, they will help you. Legumes. Okay, there are so many options. Paneer, soya chunks and so on. You have to consume 64 gram if you are of 80 kg. Now you have to take your food 4 times a day. Don't do any kind of fasting or intermittent fasting, because it will give a load on your body. So just take your meals in 4 parts: morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, evening is snacks time, and in night there must be dinner, and it should be very light. Take plenty of salads, plenty of water for your good health, for your liver health, gallbladder health. Okay. Now let us understand the treatment part. So according to homeopathy, we should take case for the treatment of gallstones. What is this case? If you want to treat any case from the depth, from the core, that the disease should not be reversed anymore, case taking is must. It's a session of 2.5 hours for a single patient, so that we can understand their history, their everything, their past history, their present history, their eating habits, their school life, college life, mental status, their will, desire, everything, intellect. So this all, help us in analyzing the case and selecting a proper medicine for you. That is the individualization of this case as well as individualization of the medicine. So case taking is must. Now, is it possible that case taking will be done from a distant part? Yes. I am taking cases online through video consultations from anywhere throughout the world. We have patients from Italy, Canada, America, France, Nepal, and so on. So we, take the case through video call. After this, we analyze the case and we will send you the medicines wherever you want, the address which you give. Medicines will reach there. Now let us understand what we have to do and what not. So stop consuming over oil or ghee. Take or use cold pressed oil only, and in a very little quantity, that is 1.5 spoon per day. Don't overuse it. Don't overuse ghee. That is good for health, but don't overuse it. So it can be harmful for you, because more the fat you take, more the gallstones risk you will create. So the another medicine is chelidonium. It itself called as liver tonic or liver healer. So it helps in increasing the metabolism of the fat. It decreases cholesterol level and it reduces the viscosity of the bile. It helps in improving the quality of the bile, and that's why it helps in gallbladder stones reduction. The other medicines are chionanthus. It is also a liver as well as gallbladder remedy which helps in reduction of gallstone. And if the symptoms are there is bloating, abdominal pain, nausea, and patient feels discomfort after eating, so the medicine will be lycopodium. There are many more medicines like Cionathus, Calculi biliary, and Carduus marianus, so many more. If we see about the constitutional, so it can be anything. It can be calcarea, it can be myrrh, it can be lyco, it can be nux, or likewise. Depends on your case. So friends, that's all for today. We'll meet soon with a new topic, new subject. If there is any query regarding this, you can leave your message here. If you want any topic, any disease, so you can also leave comment here. You can contact me directly for your case taking, for your online consultation on the given number. Till then, take care of yourself, stay connected to stay healthy. Bye-bye.